Question 3. EDTA is a useful laboratory chemical found in a wide variety of commercial products, including detergents, very soluble in water, and is often used in its ionic form. EDTA 4- is shown below. Specimen is the term multidentate ligand with reference to the reaction of EDTA 4- with copper hexaaquil copper 2 ions. Draw in figure 1 a separate circle around each atom that bonds to the Cu2+ on the complex ion. Well, remember, the central metal cation, plus ion, has ligands bonded to it, and the ligands use their lone pairs to form bonds, to form covalent bonds. They use both lone pairs to put into the covalent bond. It's a normal covalent bond, except that lone pairs have come from one of the atoms rather than both atoms putting one electron each. A pair of electrons, a lone pair of electrons, has been provided by one of the atoms to form that covalent bond. That covalent bond, that special covalent bond, where both the electrons have come from one of the atoms rather than one electron from each of the atoms, joining together in the covalent bond, is called a dative bond or a coordinate bond. Anyway, we're looking for atoms with lone pairs of electrons that might form dative or covalent or coordinate bonds with the Cu2+, and the answer are the nitrogens and the single oxygens as well. The single oxygens probably carry the negative charge and have lots of lone pairs of electrons on them. Multidentate means that the EDTA can form many dative bonds with the central cation, the central plus charged ion, so it can form 6 bonds. Those 6 atoms can form 6 bonds, many dative bonds, so they're covalent bonds where both electrons have come from these atoms here that are circled, rather than one atom putting an electron in each to form the covalent bond. Both of the electrons have come from these atoms, and they bond into the central cation. A cation is a plus ion, the central Cu2+ ion, plus charged ion. The ligand has a lone pair, say for example on the O and the N of EDTA, which can form a dative bond with copper 2 ions.